everybody and welcome to YouTube episode number 163. Myself Lalia Dattagupta, and today's episode will be on beautiful floral, our latest fabric that is has caught the eyes of all women, and that is silk organza. And this episode will be on love the organzas, which we also call koras, in vibrant pastel shades also, and also in vibrant lovely bright colors also. So keep watching. Product number 1, initially I will be showing some beautiful pastel shades. Last time the koras got very good response, so thought of doing one episode on kora before the Durga Puja. This is a lovely lavender color, soft pastel lavender color with thread work. The border seems as if it is Kutch work, Gujarati stitch, but this is machine embroidery, not hand work, machine work, but the impression, the design is as of a Kutch work embroidery. 9500, product number 1, lavender color. The body will be all over thread work in jal, pastel shades, but the border part will be self color. A touch of zari, and then the lovely pastel shade lavender silk organza. These are all silk products with a lavender color crepe blouse piece. It's no work, just plain. Best, if you wear it with the same color, the sari color will be enhancing more. Beautiful soft pastel color, and see the work in the pallu. It's a lot of work, very pretty, sober, nice color combination. I'll show you another color combination, a strawberry pink, product number 2, same price. The body again will be self work. The border and the pallu will be self work in Kutch work motifs, and the body will be all over embroidery. So very lightweight, soft. These are sheer fabric of silk, and it gives a very feminine, sexy get up. And then on wearing, and these, since usually those who are not very comfortable on wearing semi-transparent saris, so for them you can see, usually I make my borders such that it covers your, it's not, the work is such that it's not see-through much. And then the self work and the blouse that I give, it's in crepe, same color. So you can make it as a crop top, little longer. But then you must try these saris, because these look very well on wearing. And these are very much in fashion now. Now coming to a darker shade, coffee color, with again self chicken work and border pallu Kashmiri embroidery. All these are machine work. Very dark chocolate color. $9,500 again. See the work, and you can see the self embroidery. Deep chocolate, and as I said, I usually give the same color crepe blouse for this, chignon crepe blouse, coffee color. Very smart looking sari, and the dark color is also looking very pretty, because again this is self embroidery and then with border. 9,500 for this. Now same fabric, but because of the work the price is a little bit on the steeper side. See why it is on the steeper side. First of all, see the embroidery and the scalloping done. Very neat, different work, and even the big buttas which is in between, that is also very, very intricate. It's in solid color, I mean no other color, only one color thread work, but it's a very fashionable sari. and the color is light olive. It's a pista type of a color, pistachio color, 10,500. Very fashionable, little different. I am wearing a cotton petticoat, but if you want you can wear a satin or a silk petticoat, but I usually can't carry satin petticoats, so it's always cotton for me. This is the blouse piece for this. Very fashionable. You can wear a chicken blouse with this also, or a shirt. A white collared shirt would also look very well with this. It's a very, very smart, fashionable sari, especially because of the scalloped edging and the big buttas in between. This is product number 5, a deeper shade of pink. It's a coral kind of a color with again scallop work. We have 2 branches in Kolkata. We are 26-year-old label, Sanskriti, and the other store is in, there are 2 branches in Kolkata, 2C Cornfield Road, which is near Citizen Park, near Baliganj Citizen Park. Sundays we are open till the Durga Puja, and then we will remain closed. And the other branch is in 12 Jamir Lane, Baliganj, Kolkata 19, near the Baliganj railway station. Cash on delivery only in Kolkata, outside Kolkata via courier. And we will be remaining closed for the Durga Puja from 12th to 15th, only 4 days for the Durga Puja. Our team has worked really hard, so we all need a break. So these 4 days we will be closed, 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th, which is Saptami, Ashtami, Navami and Dashami. And then we will resume work with a bang again. So thank you so much for your support who've been with us. This is only 10th month that we are, 10 or 11th month I think we are in the YouTube channel, and I really received a lot of love and support from you. So keep the love growing, and then we will resume work after 15th, that's on the 16th. Very pretty scallop, and see the edging. It's not that just we've cut it off. See, every detailed edging has been very intricately done, and see the back side. The work is so fine and so neat. It doesn't seem that this is the back side, but this is the back side, even the border. This is the back side and this is the right side. Very pretty, very beautiful, very uncommon work in silk organza. Now a very light color, mint green, with all over chicken work. Very cute, and the border color is also in pastels. $8,500, 8,500 with peach, lemon, pink border thread work, and the body in silk thread work, chicken work, pallu. Every sari has a story. The thought process that goes into it. When these than comes, 500, 600 meters than we purchase, and then I just sit with my folded hands and think, what will I do? And then little ideas crop up, working with the team, my dyer, the printer, and we don't have any in-house designer. It's all me who, along with my karigars, that we discuss and do. So I always need a very fresh mind. I know I have been delaying in replying your messages, but you understand. I hope there was a lot of pressure for the pujas, and then I have been releasing many episodes, so that at least 5 episodes a week, so that at least many of you who have not received our product have been waiting to wear our product this puja. So for them I thought of releasing many episodes as much as possible. So in that way, yes, there was delay, but I really apologize for that. This is a pink color, again same design, same work. These really look very soothing and sober on wearing. 8,500. See the back side. So pretty and so neat finish. Baby pink. This is the blouse piece. If you make the payment as soon as possible, we can courier it to you before the pujas itself, even in Kolkata, and then we will, the courier will be done after 4 days once we reopen. First come, first serve basis. Even for Diwali and all, these sarees, sober colors, soothing, little different. These look very sweet on wearing. Lemon color. So mint, pink, this is lemon. All pastel shades. Pallu 8500. Here is the blouse piece in lemon also. International shipping also can be done, but it's advisable it's advisable to take after this episode. It's advisable to make the shipping after the Durga Puja, because Calcutta is almost comes to a standstill during this time, but local ones can be done. Domestic shippings can be you will receive before the pujas. Sky blue color. Same price, 8500. So some lovely pastel shades in chicken curry, silk organza, and these are very good quality organza, not the synthetic ones which are fluffy and they are a bit stiff. No, these are soft ones and pure ones. So I hope this is clear, the work. The color is sky blue. There was slightly delay in shipping last week products because there was lot of rain for weeks in Kolkata. There was waterlogging, floods, and many of the workshop and the hubs of the courier services were underwater. So there was slightly delay in the shipping, but hopefully now the weather is a bit better. 8990 for this. Now this is another lavender color with zari border. So this is very silver zari border embroidery, direct stitch on the border, and the body is in floral jal. What a pretty, sober, soothing sari. 8990, product number 10, 163rd episode, and Sanskriti Kolkata team is here with your pastel shades, silk kora embroidery saris. You have to subscribe to the channel to get regular notifications. Also check the status where everyday new products are uploaded. The Facebook page is very important. Facebook page Sanskriti Kolkata. Please like the page for the albums, the menswear collection, which I really neglected this time. I did not do any episode for the men this year before the pujas. I know but lately I have uploaded many that were available, new collection. Those are available now, so you can check out our menswear album, the recent uploads for Bhai Dooj or for your better halves. This for the dhotis and men's ethnic wear. Now the same thing that was in lavender, and this is in peach color. Do share your pictures when you wear our products, and the whole look. It really gives me so much of pleasure to see how beautiful you look throughout the world. There are so many Sanskriti Shriman and Srimotis adorning our products, and it's really gives a lot of fulfillment. This is the blouse piece, a peach color. All over thread work, again with a zari embroidered border, silver zari. Lovely pastel peach color. Now a very pretty lemon color. So again I am showing you options of this when you do the booking. Please give me options. Suppose you like the peach and your second option is lemon, please do it that way. Definitely if the peach is there, you will get your first option only. If not, then you can, if you want, of course, with your consent, I will book the lemon if you are interested. Again a 8990, nice lemon color with a pink thread work, silver zari border embroidered. All the saris are piping and the finish, just see the complete neat finish, which is very important in this sheer fabrics, because if the threads come here and there and the edging is not neat, then these fabrics doesn't look good because everything shows. This is the blouse piece in lemon color. I usually don't use too much of stones and beads in these saris, though there are very neat, and I prefer a little different, little elegant and classy work instead of sequins and these kind of stone work which is too blingy, because these are in pure, these are not art fabrics, all pure fabrics, and there is a different elegance when you wear these kind of there is shine, of course, because there is zari, and then at the same time there is a subtle thread work. So overall it gives a very different look. But of course choice differ. I personally don't like stones, too much of stones and shiny stuffs. A lovely strawberry pink color. See the elegance of the zari with the resham thread work. And what happens is, my mindset has become such, what I personally don't like or wear, I don't try to, even, of course there are so many who loves this thing, but still personally what I don't like to show them also. So whatever, I'm seeing this thing in front of me, so whatever in front of me I like, I think that you will also like, because I try to showcase those only. Now another very classy embroidery. Now as I said, I don't like too much of beads and all, but now what is it showing? It is not bead. It seems as if it has been, these are beads. No, this is thread. The thread work is done in such a way that it seems as if these are beads. What a beautiful uncommon thread work done in this lovely sky blue organza. Beautiful. The work, the combination, the scalloping, the edging. Can you see? This is fully thread work. Awesome work, very uncommon. These parts seems as if it has been filled with beads, but no, these are all thread work. So it's easy to maintain, it's lightweight, beads make it heavy. The pallu part, 10,500 for this. I'm really blessed to have very, efficient and versatile karigars, I may say. Because what embroidery I'm doing in organza may not look good in a tussar sari. So that way they are so versatile. See the work, such fine embroidery and combination. I'm really loving this. Another in strawberry pink. Pretty pastel sheer. Day wear, definitely these will look nice. In the evening also they stand out. And very Bollywood. But again, not shiny. 10,500, this lovely pastel pink color, strawberry pink, baby pink color with shades of onion pink and peach, olive pista thread work, and the body will be in off-white color, scalloped embroidery. Very uncommon, very uncommon. And here is the blouse piece. All the blouses are plain, so you can make really stylish blouse. Shirt blouses will also look nice. But if you wear sleeveless, I think organzas look very pretty in sleeveless, or halters. Those who can carry spaghettis really look nice. With this, I tried a narrow strap blouse, but it's not for me. With this, I can't carry too much of noodle straps, but sleeveless is okay. And those who are stylish, very fashionable, so you can make lovely shirt blouses with this. Those who can carry those, there are so many young stylizers, bloggers. They do such beautiful styling with organzas, really look nice. This is a silk kota organza. The fabric is, this has a self weave. It's also pure, it's also silk. It's also organza, but it has a self kota texture. So with the chicken border work, and the body will be in very fine intricate thread work. Now that was, the border was in colors. Here the body is in colors. The border is in off-white thread work. So just change off the pattern and also the work. Now can you see the work? I always prefer, fine in pastels. I prefer, self neat, narrow, small work. It's in lovely silver grey color, little powderish blue. With it has a running blouse. So if you want, you better not to cut the blouse, or you can just cut the blouse and make the sleeves sheer, and the body you can just add a separate fabric if you want. The blouse you can make it a puff sleeve with this fabric, and the body just better to make it in solid color. Extremely pretty shade, and I'll show you closely the work. Both sides I will show you. This is the front. This is the back. Very neat. As I said, organza embroidery should be very fine, very neat work. This is the pallu part. This is the back side of the pallu part. Now another very soft pink color. So that was in greyish, this is in pink. Each and every sari I try to open and show you so that you can understand the fall of the fabric. $9950. All you have to do is take the screenshot of the product where the number is mentioned once and messaged and WhatsApp to any one of the number. No phone calls, only WhatsApp messaging. Once the availability of product is confirmed, I will give you the business account bank details. After you make the transfer, the product will be couriered to you. Since if you want it before the pujas, and then I will courier it to you as soon the following day itself. Else, if you are happy to give me time, then it will be couriered to you on the 16th. A very pretty, because these are so all new collections, so best to if you like these kind of embroidery, these work, these lovely pastels, so it's better you grab a few of them because these take a lot of time to create, and this is all new collection which I've done for you before Diwali puja. So there are a lot of festive season that is coming. Very pretty, and these look so pretty on everyone, from young to little aged also. Everybody looks pretty in this. Blouse piece. It's a very soft baby peach color, lovely peach, light peach. You can see a nice flesh color, very pretty, sober, very soothing color. $9950. Now something that I am wearing, I'll show you all the colors that is available in the product that I am wearing. Last time I had shown some very bold floral silk organzas, bold ones which had lovely floral big bold borders. So you had really appreciated that concept. Keeping that in mind, totally changed the concept with self big embroidery flowers. So this is also bold big flowers, but I did not go for multicolors. I have used silk threads, shades of silk thread, self on self. I think you would like this also because this gives another different look. This is a nice lemon yellow color with silk chinon, blouse piece, crochet border, narrow crochet border in self again. See, all shades of lemon, 9,950 rupees, and this is the sari. This part, the flower will come, and you can comfortably carry this. So I'll show you the colors available. 20 in peach, that was in lemon, now this is in peach. Isn't it cute? See the flowers. 9950, product number 20, 163rd episode, and we really look forward to a very happy pujas. Hope you all enjoy. Last time we Bengalis, we were all stuck at home, so this time we are hoping to celebrate, maintaining all the protocols. So let's see. It's a festival for all and the longest festival of 4 days. So hopefully all of us will have a nice time. Another favorite color, lavender, 21. See, the lavender color is also so pretty. Now this is the blouse piece. All single piece, but yes, this concept, the floral ones which I am showing now, these 4 colors can be recreated, but you have to give me after pujas approximately 45 days time. These can be recreated on advance transfer, but it will take a lot of time. Hopefully these can be created. I can't commit, but I have to check if I have the fabric anymore. Lavender, and the other color is what I am wearing. It's an ivory. Very cute color combination, sober. Goes, you can really do very fashionable, makeup and blouse with this. This color is a very fashionable color. This neck piece is also available. 2250 for the neck piece, mala. It has 3 layers, and along with this earring, red, 2250 for the set. It has tassels. I've got a green color and this also, a few more colors. You can check out the Facebook page Album Jewelry and Clutch Bag, and this is the earring that is going with this, and this is the blouse piece for this. Very sober, soothing color. See the embroidery in the pleats. And now coming to silk organza digital Banarasi woven border, like my dear doll is wearing. Mustard. Beautiful floral prints in the body, digital florals. Pallu. Just a minute, I've just and here is the blouse piece. This is the right side. Yeah, this is the right side. The pallu will have the zari weave. The body will be throughout floral. I've got very pretty colors in this, and 7,850 rupees is the price. With mustard yellow blouse piece. Now coming to 23 in red, deep red. Traditional, lovely bright colors. Digital florals with Banarasi woven border. 7,850 rupees. With red blouse piece. Here is the sari. Now a yellow. That was a little darker yellow and with a different floral print. This is another shade of yellow. This print is again different. So these are lovely bold florals in silk organza Banarasi digital prints. Upper part will be with a narrower border and the lower part will be broader zari border. And this has a self-printed blouse piece. The mannequin is wearing a black, bold florals, 7850, copper zari with black blouse. See how pretty. ₹7,850. Florals. 25 charcoal black color. It has a tinge of navy in this. You can say very dark charcoal black. Very bright, beautiful floral. And this is the slate color blouse piece with this. Sorry. So I will try to do another episode before the pujas, another one episode probably, and then we will be back after the 16th. So if not, if I'm there doing the episode before we close down for a few days, short break, a very short break. Hope you enjoy your pujas, you enjoy your holidays. Kolkata people, bhalo kataben, pujo bhalo bhabe kataben, shusto bhabe kataben. আর সাথে থাকবেন, ভালো থাকবেন। And outside Kolkata, please, those who are traveling, visiting, enjoy your holiday, enjoy your thing with your loved ones. This is a very pretty purple color, kalamkari printed, digital printed in again Banarasi organza. With a beautiful printed blouse piece. 7850 for this too. Very dark purple. $27 red again. Print changes. That was a bit deeper red. This is a bit more brighter red. blouse piece. Blouse pieces are mostly in cotton silk, chinia silk. Actually, it's chinia silk. $7,850. The last one, navy, 28, bright and bold. In an initial episode of Kora Banarasi, I had myself worn a peacock blue, a very deep peacock blue color. That is also available now, 7,850. That sari, that combination is also available now. So you can check out, when you type in the YouTube channel, that Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube, Kora, that one, that episode, you will get all the episodes of Koras. So similarly, when you want to see Tussar, just type Sanskriti Kolkata YouTube Tussar. So that this is the blouse piece for this. So that beautiful color is also available now. I should have, I don't remember the episode number, then I could have told you. That color is also available. A very nice dark peacock blue color. 7,850 for this. Last from this episode. Beautiful color combination. So hope you like the episode. Thank you so much for watching until the end. And thank you once again.